Hello, everybody. Ninja here. Been a while since I've done really anything. I have unfortunately way too many things going on the past few months, but uh, I'll just get to this. It's just gonna be a short little video. Um, Essentially to force dark mode or dark theme within Chrome without an extension. Um, I've already turned it on, but I mainly turned it on just because I couldn't stand having uh, a white background in Google Drive when pretty much most of my websites were already default or set to dark mode or dark theme anyway. But all you got to do is in Chrome, go to the address bar, just type in Chrome colon // flags. You'll get this. At the top here, where it says search flags, just type in dark. And you would just want to make sure you hit enabled here to make sure that essentially it forces it to become dark, and then you just hit relaunch. So now when you go to your websites, they're going to be set to dark mode or dark theme. Hopefully that might help out. This way I don't have to worry about an extension. Hopefully you guys enjoy. See ya.